Alright, so let's begin with a simple move. If you want to choose something, you just click the left of your mouse. Okay, as you can see, you already select View 3D dot select. All this is just some code behind this Blender engine, and we will get down to that as advanced lessons. So don't worry about what was showing at the bracket. Okay, and you can do a more advanced option by clicking the right side of your mouse. Okay, and you can delete altogether, and of course you can use Ctrl Z and it will come back. Okay, and when you press the middle mouse, you can change the direction that you are looking. Okay, so you can rotate this this view. Okay, you can, if you can just don't want to use the free rotate, you can just click X, okay, Y or Z here, and it will become the X viewpoint, the Y viewpoint, and the Z viewpoint. Okay, so it will become very helpful if you want to just rotate view or use the preset of the viewpoint. Just click that, and this is the Y preset. Okay, you click the X, you get X, and you can drag the middle mouse and move around. So this is a few viewpoints. I prefer the few free viewpoints because it gives you a sense of it's really 3D. Okay, and you can press N to hide what is at the right side. Okay, you press N and it's all gone. I think this is pretty much what we need to know right now in order to get moving in the Blender. Okay.